In this video, I'm going to be talking about what is the difference between story and plot. My name is Justin Vandermark, and I graduated from UC Riverside with the major of creative writing. I also won a few film festivals for my short scripts as well. So let's just jump right back into the video. To understand the difference between story and plot, we got to dive down into what is a story and what is a plot. What is a plot? Plot is a sequence of events that happen within a story. It explains what happens from beginning to middle to end. It pretty much is the premise of this happens, which leads to the next scene happening, and so on and so forth. Thank you for tuning in to Creative Writing Lessons. This is where I give tips and tricks to writing a successful story. If you're getting great value out of the video, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and like it, and please share it. All right, let's jump right back into the video, guys. What is a story? This is a complete narrative that is filled with the settings, the characters, themes, plots, the character development, point of view, and the other literary devices. So what it's pretty much saying is that everything within the story makes up the story. So the plots are just a sequence of events, while you have the story, which is characters, the themes, how it makes you feel, right? The tones, all that stuff makes up the story. So plots are just included. It's part of the story. It's one of the contents of what makes a story. All right, let's keep moving on, guys. So another part of what is a story is some of the stories may contain multiple plots or subplots unless it's a short story. Usually that means the plots that push it forward. So let's say you have your main character. So your main character is going to be pushing your story forward. But let's say you do have multiple characters. You're not really going to get in depth of like the villain. You're not going to get in depth of the antagonist or any of the supporting characters within a short story most of the time. But with a novel, as you can tell by movies, there are tons of other plots, tons of other storylines going at the same time. So it's not just one plot sequence that is going throughout the novel or your story. In great news, I have published 2 of my books on Amazon. They're kids' books. I would say about 7 years old and higher, so maybe about 2nd grade reading plus. The first one is called The Crystal of Destiny. The second one is called The Eye of the Universe. These books are an adventure book. There's some kind of minute learning thing. So you have right here the adventure of Prince Boba and Princess Jen, which is pretty much all about Jen in the second book. The third book will be all about Boba, and then the last book will be them coming back together from their adventures to hopefully stop the evil villain. So you can find that on Amazon. The link will be down below, so feel free to click it and help support a small channel. I appreciate it, guys. So feel free to check out some of my other videos if you guys want to learn more about writing. If you're a beginning writer and you want to make a successful story, just check out some of my videos, check out some of the playlists. I have what is a story plot arc that will help with what we're talking about here, about plots, about pushing the story forward, and that'll help you with the basics of a story. That doesn't really talk about character too much except for the exposition part. So feel free to check that out. If you have any questions, you guys can email me, DM me, comment down below your thoughts on this, and let's work together. Let's change the world. Let's be superheroes. I appreciate it. Thanks for watching, guys, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.